Imagine a car so exclusive, so extraordinary that not even billionaires can purchase it. In a world where the elite have access to the most luxurious vehicles on the planet, there exists a hidden gem that remains out of reach for even the wealthiest individuals. This enigmatic automobile is shrouded in mystery and has become a symbol of true rarity and privilege. Join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of the secret car even billionaires can't buy and discover the intriguing story behind this remarkable automotive phenomenon. Before we start, like and subscribe if you would buy this McLaren for $1. Number 1. Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenaut Coupe. The Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenaut Coupe is an automotive masterpiece known for its unparalleled rarity and unattainable status. This exceptional vehicle was born during the golden age of motorsport in the 1950s, when Mercedes-Benz was dominating the racing scene. Rudolf Uhlenhaut, the chief engineer, played a pivotal role in the development of the 300 SLR race car. He recognized the potential for a road-legal version and oversaw the creation of just 2 Uhlenaut Coupe models. These cars were a testament to automotive engineering excellence, boasting a tubular space frame, gull-wing doors, and a 3.0-litre inline-8 engine that delivered breathtaking performance. The exclusivity of the 300 SLR Uhlenaut Coupe is heightened by the fact that only 2 examples were ever made. This rarity, combined with its historical significance, makes it one of the most sought-after classic cars in the world. The Uhlenaut Coupe is a symbol of Mercedes-Benz's motorsport prowess and innovation during a remarkable era. Its scarcity, combined with its rich racing heritage, has driven its price into the stratosphere, making it an elusive dream even for the world's wealthiest collectors. Today, the Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR Uhlenaut Coupe remains a symbol of automotive excellence and is considered a crown jewel in any collector's portfolio. With only 2 existing models, each with its own unique history and provenance, these cars have achieved near mythical status in the world of luxury cars. Their limited availability and exceptional historical value ensure that they are, without a doubt, one of the most unaffordable and highly sought-after classic cars ever created, commanding astronomical prices whenever they appear in the market. While Mercedes owns one of the 2 models and is available for display at the museum, the other one was recently sold at an auction for a whopping $143 million. This makes it the most expensive car to ever be sold. The 300 SLR Uhlenaut Coupe is a 2-seater sports car that gets gull-wing windows and a long bonnet under which resides a longitudinally mounted 3.0-litre engine. Number 2. McLaren F1 LM. The McLaren F1 LM is a legendary supercar that stands out not only for its remarkable performance, but also for its extreme rarity. Only 5 F1 LM models were ever produced, making it one of the scarcest production cars in the world. The LM in its name stands for Le Mans, which was created to elaborate McLaren's victory in the 1995 24 Hours of Le Mans race. This exclusive connection to the iconic race adds to the allure of the F1 LM. The rarity of the McLaren F1 LM is further underscored by its exceptional engineering and performance. The supercar is powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine, producing over 600 horsepower, enabling it to reach top speeds in excess of 225 miles per hour. Its unique design, featuring a central driving position with 2 passenger seats flanking the driver, adds to its desirability among collectors. The combination of its limited production, historical significance, and incredible performance attributes have driven its price to the stratosphere. Even the wealthiest individuals find it challenging to afford the McLaren F1 LM, which often commands prices in the tens of millions of dollars, making it one of the most unaffordable and sought-after supercars in the world. For many, the McLaren F1 LM represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and exclusivity, a true collector's dream. Its status as one of the rarest supercars, combined with its Le Mans heritage and extraordinary performance, solidify its position as a legendary and unattainable automotive gem. As a result, the F1 LM remains a symbol of excellence, setting it apart in the world of high-end supercars. Number 3. Bugatti Type 41. The Bugatti Type 41, also known as the Royale, is one of the rarest and most iconic vintage cars in the world. It was introduced in the late 1920s as a luxury automobile intended for European royalty and aristocracy, which is why it earned its regal name. What makes the Royale truly extraordinary is that only 6 were ever built, out of the originally planned 25. Each one was a unique work of art, often customized according to the buyer's preferences. This extreme rarity, combined with its historical significance, makes the Bugatti Royale a true automotive legend. The Bugatti Royale is a symbol of opulence, featuring a massive 12.7-litre straight-8 engine that produced ample power for its time. Its grandeur extended to the bodywork, which was often designed by renowned coach builders. These cars were a statement of extravagance and refinement, which contributed to their aura of exclusivity. Today, Bugatti Royales are among the most coveted and expensive collector's items in the world, with prices reaching tens of millions of dollars. Even for the richest individuals, the Bugatti Royale remains an unattainable dream, as these magnificent cars are held in the highest esteem among automobile enthusiasts and collectors, ensuring their enduring rarity and value. Number 4. Ferrari 250 GTO. The Ferrari 250 GTO is celebrated as one of the most coveted and rarest classic cars in existence. Produced during the early 1960s, only 36 of these iconic sports cars were ever made, making them exceptionally scarce. Their exclusivity is attributed to their handcrafted construction and their purpose-built design for racing, as the GTO stands for Gran Turismo Omologato, indicating their homologation for racing. Each 250 GTO was not only a high-performance machine but also a work of art, with distinct design elements and competition-focused features. The 250 GTO's rarity is further accentuated by its remarkable historical significance. These cars were not only built for racing, but also excelled on the track, securing multiple victories in various competitions. This track record, combined with their limited production, has elevated the 250 GTO to the status of a motoring legend. As a result, it commands astronomical prices in the collector car market, often exceeding tens of millions of dollars. Even for the wealthiest individuals, the Ferrari 250 GTO remains an elusive dream coveted by enthusiasts and collectors alike for its unique blend of rarity, performance and racing heritage. This extraordinary combination ensures that it's one of the most unaffordable and sought-after classic cars in the world. Number 5. Lamborghini Veneno. The Lamborghini Veneno is a symbol of extreme exclusivity and automotive engineering prowess. This limited edition supercar is exceedingly rare, with only 3 examples of the Veneno Coupe and 9 Veneno Roadsters ever produced, totaling just 12 units. Such scarcity sets the Veneno apart in the world of high-performance cars, capturing the imagination of collectors and enthusiasts. It was based on the Aventador, and the Italian Marquis produced 4 coupe models and 9 Roadsters. It's one of the most expensive cars in the world. It was first revealed to the world at the 2013 Geneva Motor Show. The Veneno's unattainable price tag is a result of its remarkable performance capabilities and its unique design. Powered by a 6.5-litre V12 engine, the Veneno can reach a top speed of over 220 miles per hour and accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. Its cutting-edge aerodynamics and innovative engineering make it a true automotive marvel. These attributes, coupled with its rarefied status, have driven prices into the millions, making it a symbol of wealth and luxury that only a select few can afford, even among the world's richest individuals. Lamborghini designed the Veneno to be more than just a car. It's a work of art on wheels. The car's striking and aggressive design, inspired by stealth aircraft, adds to its allure. Each Veneno is a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive design and performance. As a result, the supercar remains one of the most unaffordable and sought-after vehicles in the world, appealing to those who appreciate its combination for rarity, performance, and iconic design. In the world of automotive exclusivity, certain vehicles transcend the realm of affordability, even for billionaires. The Bugatti Type 41 Royale, McLaren F1 LM, Ferrari 250 GTO, Lamborghini Veneno, Mercedes-Benz 300 SLR, Out Coupe are 5 prime examples of automobiles that represent the pinnacle of rarity, craftsmanship, and engineering. These cars, whether through their limited production, historical significance, or cutting-edge performance, remain firmly out of reach for even the wealthiest individuals. Now let's talk about the cars that you can afford. Check out these 5 craziest rapper cars that you can afford.